Next topic is adiabatic process. In adiabatic process is one in which the pressure, volume, temperature of the system change, but there is no exchange of heat between the system and the surrounding. Clear? So again consider a gas which is enclosed in a cylinder. Now the wall of this cylinder is non-conducting wall, means insulating wall. Suppose the gas is allowed to expand very quickly. Then the work is done by the gas during the expansion. So its internal energy decreases because we know that during the expansion there is a fall in the temperature, and we know that internal energy is linked with the temperature directly. So the internal energy decreases. As the heat can't enter the system because this is a adiabatic, because in the adiabatic process there is no exchange of heat between the system and the surrounding. ठीक है, सो द टेम्परेचर ऑफ गैस वो क्या रहेगा, फॉल डाउन ही रहेगा. सो द टेम्परेचर ऑफ गैस फॉल्स. Similarly, when the gas is suddenly compressed, the work is done on the gas. When the work is done on the gas, then there is an increase in the internal energy of the gas. So as the heat can't escape नहीं हो सकती from the system to the surrounding, so the temperature of the gas increases. Now the essential conditions for an adiabatic process to take place. First, the wall of the container must be perfectly insulating or the non-conducting, so that there is no exchange of heat between the gas and the surroundings. Second, the process of compression or the expansion should be sudden, so that the heat does not get time to get exchange with the surroundings. Next topic is important, that is adiabatic relations between PV and T. Now first, the adiabatic relation between pressure and the volume. According to first law of thermodynamics, delta Q is equal to delta or D. dQ is equal to du plus dW, mean change in heat is equal to change in internal energy plus change in work, is equal to dQ is equal to du plus change in work can also be written as PdV. So take this second. Now the specific heat at constant volume Cv is equal to dQ upon dt. We know that at constant volume delta V क्या होगा, 0. Then PdV क्या हो जाएगा, 0. ठीक है, डेल्टा V और dV ये क्या होएगा, 0. अगर ये 0 हो गया विच मीन्स दैट चेंज इन वर्क इज 0. यहाँ पे अगर हम पुट करेंगे तो हमारे पास dQ किसके इक्वलेंट आ गई, du के. ठीक है, सो सब्सटीट्यूट है. सो Cv इज इक्वल टू dQ अपॉन dt विच इज इक्वल टू du अपॉन dt. Clear? So Cv into dt which is equal to d of u. So take this third. ठीक है, so from equation number second and third, dq is equal to Cv dt plus P dV. So take this fourth. For an adiabatic process we know that change in heat is 0 because heat कोई transfer नहीं होती between the system as well as in the surrounding. So dq is equal to 0 put here. So we get C dt plus P dV is equal to 0. Take this sixth. Now according to ideal gas equation, PV is equal to nRT. N is equal to 1 for 1 mole of a gas. So we get PV is equal to RT. Now differentiating both sides, we get PdV plus VdP is equal to RdT. So the value of dt is PdV plus VdP upon R. Clear? Now put this value of dt in equation number 6. dt की वैल्यू जो आई है यहाँ पे हम इसको सब्स्टिट्यूट कर देंगे. So we get Cv within bracket PdV plus VdP upon R plus PdV which is equal to 0. When we open this bracket we get this expression. So when we simplify this we get Cv plus R PdV. हम क्या कर रहे हैं, ये वाला फैक्टर और ये इन दोनों फैक्टर को कंबाइन किया, देन प्लस Cv into volume dP is equal to 0. We know that Cp minus Cv is equal to R. The value of Cp is Cv plus R. So Cv plus R की जगह पे क्या फिल कर सकते हैं, Cp. ठीक है, तो हमारे पास रिलेशन क्या बन गया, Cp PdV plus Cv into volume dP is equal to 0. Take this 11th. Now dividing both sides by Cv pressure into volume we get. जब डिवाइड कर रहे हैं तो हमारे पास क्या बचा, dP अपॉन P प्लस Cp अपॉन Cv into dV upon V, that is volume, which is equal to 0. Now यहाँ पे ratio between Cp upon Cv वो क्या है, gamma. So dP upon P plus gamma dV upon V, which is equal to 0. Now when we integrate on both sides, we get integration dP upon P plus gamma dV upon V, which is equal to constant, where C is constant of integration. Clear? So log P plus gamma log V, which is equal to C. So log E P plus gamma log E V, ये gamma की पावर ऊपर आ गई, which is equal to C. So log E P V gamma, which is equal to C. Clear? तो यहाँ पे हमें पता है कि यहाँ पे कौन सा फॉर्मूला यूज हुआ, log m प्लस log n, विच इज इक्वल टू log ऑफ एम एन. ठीक है. सो यहाँ पे अगर इसका एंटी लॉग लेते हैं तो हमारे पास क्या बन जाएगा, एंटी लॉग लिया, देन वी गेट पी वी गैमा विच इज इक्वल टू के, वेयर के इज अनदर कॉन्स्टेंट. सो दिस इज एन एडियाबैटिक रिलेशन बिटवीन द प्रेशर एंड द वॉल्यूम ऑफ एन आइडियल गैस.